In today's video, we are going to show you how to use the Cash App Roundups and how this feature can help you save money automatically or even grow your investments over time. So Cash App Rounds Up is a feature that automatically rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest whole dollar and sets aside the difference for a purpose you choose, such as saving or investing. For example, you make a purchase for like $3.40, Cash App rounds up it to $4. The extra 0.60 is taken from your Cash App balance or your linked funding source and is added to your selected Roundups destination. So over time, these small amounts can really add up without requiring much effort. One of the best ways to use Roundups is by investing the money automatically. Depending on the features available on your account, you can direct your roundups into your investment portfolio, including Bitcoin or other eligible investment options. It's an easy way to invest little by little every time you make a purchase. Now, to enable roundups, open your Cash App account, go to the banking tab. Depending on your account, you may also find the feature under the investing or sometimes on the savings section. And then once you're located the roundups option, if it's currently turned off, which is in my case, it is, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. Once enabled, Cash App will automatically round up eligible purchases and save the difference according to the option you've selected. And after turning on roundups, you will see several options depending on the features available on your account and financial goals. You can choose to save your roundups. Of course, you can invest them into eligible investments such as Bitcoin. You can select another destination offered within your Cash App account. Remember, you also have the option at this point to personalize your savings by choosing an emoji, making it easier to identify your roundups goal at a glance. And to track your savings, you can simply check your roundups balance at any time. Simply return to the investing or saving section to see how much money has been accumulated from your everyday purchases. This makes it easy to monitor your progress and watch your savings or investments grow over time. Now, let me show you how roundups work during an actual purchase. One store that I like is Tommy Hilfiger. So, for example, we're gonna check out an item, add it to your cart, choose the size. Let's say we're going to have this, add it to our bag. And then on the checkout page, okay, you will see the available payment methods. If Cash App, you see this, or Afterpay is supported, simply select it and follow the prompt to complete your purchase. And basically, that's how you use Cash App Roundups. It's a convenient feature that helps you save or invest automatically by putting your spare change to work every time you make a purchase. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.